Machita Namakhotman Kaizer Chiefs have loaned out 7 seriously talented youngsters. Kule video, I'm going to tell you all the names and the playing positions, and most importantly, why this is a game changer for Kaizer Chiefs, why this is the best thing to happen for his youngsters. Ukuphela kule video, you're going to agree number surely out in Yansili. The youngsters zidlala lower division Motsepe Foundation Championship, the best place, the best football competition to develop any youngster. I'm going to explain that very clearly and so easy for you to understand by why this is the best league for Islati to develop. Who am I talking about? What are the names? Sfiso Timba, right back in 19. Vicky Mkawana is a central midfielder. I've been getting the video ngaye. I think in the last week, top video leya, good video leya. Uzijonge la video apha ki timeline le channel. Ndithetha ngo Vicky Mkawana, midfielder na 19. Offense Khosana is a wing back umjita, very good. He's 20. Then Umanqoba Ozemenya 20, versatile, he can play right back and also a midfielder. Yeah, that's a midfielder as well. Midfielder can also play right back. Nkosana Mbotu, left winger na 19. And then you also have Utimba weki Gomora United NFD, Mkawana weki Kruger United NFD, Ukhosana plus Nono, Ozemena by Kaizer Stars, top ilawe league chasing team leyo Kaizer Stars. I think top 3 ki MFC, ki Motsepe Foundation Championship. So that is very important. Like environment abakuya Machita, Ozemenya plus Nokhosana, but very fortunate. And then Uko Umbotu, the left winger, we get Leicester Ford. Leicester Ford, I think that's a KZN. And then Kaizer Chiefs also the 2 youngsters is loaned out to Botswana Premier League, high top quality league now, to develop as a youngster. Who are they? I have the names here somewhere. We're talking about Ukolani Tosana. Ukolani Tosa. He's a left-sided central defender. And you also have Usima Bobo, is a central defender, very good player, Liana 18, and then Tosana on a 20. Kaizer Chiefs is signing loaning out as light. Let me talk about the reason for loans, Bafetu, why these players have been loaned and why Kaizer Chiefs have taken a great decision on so many players. This is building for the future. Kaizer Chiefs in the Kumbula, I think it was 5 years ago, Kaizer Chiefs, 4 years ago, Kaizer Chiefs, 2022, Kaizer Chiefs sporting director, Kaizer Motown Jr. He committed my communicator in public, but Kaizer Chiefs are going to focus on creating their own players as a team. Bazabani, the development model, we aim to create our own players. This is the step. Why Bafetu players? Not every player is going to come from a reserve team and then is a flyer the first team. Not every player is Mbogazi or Mofokeng. Like Stellenbosch, I see a bonus Stellenbosch players suka from reserve zingene ki first team like Super Sport United. Not so much Sundowns, the Kaizer Chiefs. So what is the difference Bafetu? In football, the most important phase of any footballer, how a footballer is created, when you're gonna go a footballer that gets created, about how a football player gets born, is the transition from reserve football to a senior team football. What are the differences? Owena mehluko nje from like zisuka from first gear. A difference between a reserve team football, the NFD, is boys namadoda. Team football bafethu mistakes yakwazi uzenza, but senior football, 1 mistake uye benchini, 2 mistakes uyahamba yakizidance. Senior football is about results bafethu. Senior football as players NFD, DDC challenge bafethu is kuyadlalwa pha, but NFD kuyafightwa. There's a big difference bafethu. As players phana it's all about the talent phana, but ngaphaya it's all about the survival. udibana ne-defender okanye midfielder okanye striker that is feeding the family, that is fighting for their children, uba umuntu une-school fees, une-bond, unezindlu, une-installments. So apha kuyadlalwa, this is business, this is about i-results football. Akudlalwa nje to be nice phana. Ki-disc challenge i-players phana baleqa i-dreams, but apha kuleqwa i-results, apha kuleqwa i-salary, apha kuleqwa i-bonuses, apha kuleqwa i-survival. NFT. So Kaizer Chiefs as players is Super League, le loan amachita, they're going to learn and develop to be real footballers. NFT is about delivering. Amachita pana, a coach pana wants you to win him games. The Chiefs bafethu, whether we defend or midfield or strike, zizawufunda winner kakubi, to play ugly, to win ugly, which is very, very important. Ezo mistakes, ezo zinto afuneka ube na mentality ibhethwe premiership yo yakidDC ba nje ufuna udlala nice, ufuna uba fancy. Phaka NFT amajita azoyifunda lo way. But apha phaka NFT na Botswana Premier League, it's all about character and personality, not talent. And that is senior football. That is senior men's football ngoba fethu. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs ingafumana success kakhulu. Asazazi success stories apha South African football bafethu. Best example uPercy Tau wasuka Sundowns development. Waya NFT wadlala Witbank Spurs, and the rest was history. Thembi Kosiloch bafethu Orlando Pirates what developer grand kila yamloana to ilanduza ke Chippa United, before Chippa United Cape Town All Stars, and look at Lodge bafethu. So better premiership, watch out for if future Kaizer Chiefs players next season or the season beyond. Ezinye zingathatha 1 season NFT, ezinye zingathatha 2 seasons, but watch out Kaizer Chiefs yenze i-decision grand bafethu. And say Enye's players, some of these players ngabazi bafana internationals bafethu in the future. Izona opinions bafethu ningalibali kuse uza ne-opinions zenu bafethu bancinga ntoni ngale way loans i-players isuka from DTC to NFT. Mocha bafethu cela ngalibali usupport i-channel, ushaye ulike okanye ushaye subscribe. Mocha bafethu.